This weekend we're at the Goodwood Festival of Speed and we're going up the hill in a Porsche Carrera Cup Car. On a normal track the car's lower enough, so on a thin track with some hay bales either side of you, it gets your heart pumping. So we're at the start of the hill now. You don't want to give it too much revs because it'll wheel spin too much, so it's quite slippy. Tyres are quite cold. About 6,000 revs. There we go. Up second gear, third gear. First corner, get quite a lot of understeer. Oversteer, back down to second. To third, to fourth, 120 miles an hour now. Around the tight left, really tricky corner that one. The long straight up the hill. The famous wall, really slippy around here. Again, really tight down there. Open it up onto the straight. And over the finish line. Obviously very privileged to be driving up the hill. It's not something that anyone can just enter and get into easily, so really honoured to drive the car up the hill.